Cleaning the cartridge inside your tap can help prevent limescale and particle build-up, which over time can affect the flow of water. Make sure to switch off your water supply before starting. The tools you will need are a Phillips head screwdriver, adjustable spanner and a flathead screwdriver. First remove the tap head using the screwdriver, and then the cartridge retaining nut underneath. Next, using a spanner, take out the tap cartridge. Soak the cartridge in a mix of half vinegar, half water for 10 minutes. Take your old toothbrush and gently clean the inside of the tap. Then give the cartridge a scrub and rinse with fresh water, and then pat dry with a clean cloth. Put the cartridge back into the tap and replace the cartridge retaining nut. Finally, screw on the tap head, making sure not to over tighten.